Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Aduh benta kasni gidon kendai active case, ki belajam gilong saupuar, but total berok ki positive cases apa state Meghalaya gilong sanpuar. But iwe lajam, iwe la klano, sorry iwe la klano, saupuar lajam berkendai ki active case. Nangta ki bangi lapa ig sampul mentes kilong kat kendai hajar lai spar unriu, iwe kendai lai ar unriu. But ki balat test negatif kilong kat kendai hajar ar pupra, iwe kendai not ar pra. Ki badang up pada ig resort, ig report adu menta ulai putri Jun kilong ar spar sabun riu. Nangta de ki ba lawan fai ni sabar jong Meghalaya adu mendagat sengi kilong kat kendai hajar kat nriu kat iwe kendai not iwe nriu ti komba tip menda po eskasils gidon sangut nanta hari boy di iwe nanta has southwest Garo Hills gidon arngut but highest Jente Hills iwe tikini di report update jong ka COVID-19 apo state of Meghalaya. The latest positive case is today. It was yesterday. It was tested positive. One person came from Guwahati via Bernihat to Clariat. In the Clariat, we have got the information. Immediately, they have intimated to the health department, and health department sent him to the institutional quarantine center. And the next day, they have taken the sample, the swab. After the same day, it was tested positive. New appointment, the new appointment in Shuan po Assam sa Meghalaya. Yayo posted yayi po Clariat SBI branch.
Tiki peladi in the service bagi tempat bagi insuran test nasional bagi direct station po Clariat. Dapat station Clariat pada kita nomor pisnong kita berjalan mah kita perman bahaya kan ni, pet ngor bahaya kan ni. Jadi kisamba iwan ini barang kemai bukan nasabar. Jadi kemai bukan nasabar, tikileh nu kipentep lo ITC. ITC berada kipentep ke health department, ke health authority for district. Kili wadi, jadi kisamba empat des kira lo i quarantine center. Kisam sampel dia tu masih ni, tikiyo report mentah.
I kublai kisah yakini ki BDP na Clariat, I kublai yakini ki Ramba Ashnong, kita Ashnong. Lemdam day dari jing tre jutom jong ki dok Ashnong baru ki Ramba Ashnong jongi kinong kita Ashnong ki BDP ki volunteers ki senglok mik sengsamla nginomla bandong ban ya kun jong ni COVID-19. Tingi ngai nagaliang to health department umu health minister ngai kublai ki baru jing tre jutom jongki ban ngiong ba ngarakren mo siyam no menin kesni ba kumno gidi ban aga keno ga token of appreciation dan kemenda kini ki community volunteer ijongi batre sutum kumno banyada na umleu COVID-19.